Hi there, students. A piece of cake or a cakewalk. Okay, this means something was really easy to do. Yeah. So something that was easy to achieve. Yeah. It was simple. So the exam was a piece of cake. It was a cakewalk. And I think probably this phrase, a piece of cake, comes from cakewalk, and you can use them uh, interchangeably. Yeah, the interview is going to be a breeze. It's going to be a cakewalk. It's going to be a piece of cake. Winning the match was child's play. Yeah, it was a piece of cake. It was a doddle. It was easy to do. Okay, there's going to be no problem. It's going to be a piece of cake. Okay, so something that's easy to achieve. The final is going to be a difficult match. It's going to be no cakewalk. It's not going to be a piece of cake. It's going to be very difficult to achieve. Okay, so if something's done very easily, you say it's a piece of cake. It's a cakewalk. Now, let's look at this cakewalk. Apparently in the early 19th century among black Americans, they used to have competitions where the person who walked in the most interesting way or danced with the most interesting steps, won a prize of a cake. Yeah, there were prizes of cakes, and maybe that's the origin of it. Or maybe a piece of cake is just something pleasant and easy to eat. Right? That may also be the origin. Yeah. So coming top in the class is going to be a cakewalk for you. Although you do know that learning English is not a cakewalk. In no way is learning English a piece of cake. Yeah, it's a very difficult thing. Okay, so if something's a piece of cake, it's easy to do, it's easy to accomplish. Yeah, normally the quizzes I set every morning, they're no cakewalk, they're not a piece of cake. Yeah, you need to know what I'm talking about and probably to look things up as well. Okay, formality, a piece of cake, cakewalk. I think this is informal. I think I'd go 3.5 informality. Use these in an informal conversation, talking to a friend. A semi-formal conversation, just about, but it's a bit informal, and I wouldn't use it in semi-formal writing at all. Okay, so a cakewalk, a piece of cake, something that's easy to accomplish, it's easy to achieve. Yeah, parking in the center of the city is never a piece of cake. Yeah, it's never a cakewalk. It's normally quite a difficult thing to achieve. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A piece of cake, a cakewalk.